how to turn off NSFW filter in Character AI app. Now, you might be trying to turn off NSFW filter within Character AI because maybe you're trying to get the character to say something or do something, but it goes against the policies and conditions of the Character AI app, and which is why you would like to disable NSFW filter, which is not safe for work filter. First of all, let me tell you right away that there isn't a certain toggle or a single button that you can use to turn on or turn off the NSFW filter in Character AI app. This is usually automated by the algorithm itself. Now, however, there is a way to get around this, and you can actually turn off NSFW filter by asking your character to do or say things indirectly. So if you directly say those things in a direct way, then the algorithm is going to pick it up, and that's when it's going to regard it as an NSFW. And if you want to get around this, you have to simply try to use innocent words as you can. And I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.